हम दूरतस्ते
अहं दूरस्थे
पदाम्बोजयुग्म
पदाम्बोजयुग्म
पदां भोज युग्म प्रणामेच्च यागत्य सेवा करोमि सकृत् सेवया नित्य सेवा फलं त्वं प्रयश्च प्रभो वेंकटेश. Om Namo Venkateshaya. We've traveled through 9 shlokas, each one painting a divine portrait. From his lotus eyes and Lakshmi's vermilion to Rama's valor, Krishna's flute, and the loving surrender of a devotee. Now the tone softens. This verse comes not with grandeur, but with gentle, honest longing. A memory quietly folded into this prayer. In May, at Tirumala, my parents had pre-booked VIP darshan tickets for their anniversary. Vishnu was under 11, so he could go with them. But I had no ticket, no entry. Still, I stayed, and strangely, I didn't feel left out. I drove through the sacred hills past Akasha Ganga, Hathiram Baba's ashram, Papa Vinashanam. Each curve on the road felt like a shloka I had once chanted. The wind moved like mantra. The temple tower glimpsed between trees felt like the Lord saying, "You are not far." That day, this verse came alive. Even if I am far, may my every step toward you be counted as worship. Here's the line-by-line meaning of this shloka. Aham durataste padambojayugma. Though far from your twin lotus feet, O Lord, praname cha yagatya sevam karomi. With every movement, I offer a silent bow. Let my journey itself become service. Sakrit sevaya nitya seva phalam tvam. Each one true act of devotion, may it bring the fruit of eternal nearness to you. Prayaccha Prabho Venkatesha. Please grant me that blessing, O Venkatesha, again and again. Now let's chant this shloka twice like a prayer in motion. Aham duradaste padambojayugma pranamecha yagatya sevam karomi. Sakrit sevaya nitya seva phalam tvam prayaccha prabho venkatesha. Aham duradaste padambojayugma pranamecha yagatya sevam karomi. Sakrit sevaya nitya seva phalam tvam prayaccha prabho venkatesha. 10 shlokas. We began with his form, vivid with Lakshmi's present. We called him the jewel of the gods, the master of surrender. We wandered through Krishna's flute, Rama's bow, and then whispered our devotion like a vow. And now we pause, not to ask for more, but to simply offer. Here I am, even from far I have come. Let's now chant from the beginning all 10 verses. Let them not just be remembered, let them return to our lips like sacred steps. Kamalakuchachuchuka kunkumato niyatarunitatul nilatano. कमलायतलोचनलोकपते विजयी भव वेङ्कट शैलपते. कमलाकुचूचुककुङ्कुमतो नियतारुणि तातुलनीलतनो कमलायतलोचनलोकपते विजयी भव वेङ्कटशैलपते सचतुर्मुख षण्मुख पञ्चमुख प्रमुखाखिल दैवतमौलिमणे शरणागत वत्सल सारनिधे परिपालय मां वृषशैलपते अतिवेलतया तव दुर्विषहैरनुवेलकृतैरपराधशतैः भरितं त्वरितं वृषशैलपते परया कृपया परिपाहि हरे अधिवेङ्कटशैलमुदारमदे जनताभिमतादिकदान्नरतात् परदेवतया गतितान् निगमै कमलादयितान्न परं कलये कलवेणुरवा वशगोपवधू शतकोटिवृतात् स्मरकोटिसमात् प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेव सुतान्न परं कलये अभिरामगुणाकरदाशरथे जगदेकधनुर्धर धीरमते रघुनायक राम रमेश विभो वरदो भवदेव दया जलदे अवनीतनया कमनीयकरं रजनीकर चारुमुकाम्बुरुहम् रजनीचरराजतमो मिहिरं महनीयमहं रघुराममये सुमुखं सुहृदं सुलभं सुखदं स्वनुजं च सुखाय ममोघशरम् अपहाय रघुत्वहमन्यमहं न कथञ्चन जातु भजे विना वेङ्कटेशं न नाथो न नाथ सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ अहं दूरतस्ते पदाम्बोजयुग्म प्रणामेच्च यागत्य सेवां करोमि सकृत्सेवया नित्यसेवाफलं त्वं प्रयच्छ प्रभो वेङ्कटेश. Not every devotee gets to enter the sanctum. Some of us stand outside, watching, waiting, and remembering. But maybe devotion doesn't depend on proximity. Maybe Venkatesha sees the heart, not the position. And maybe even the waiting is holy. Tomorrow we complete this garland, a final verse, gentle and humble, where we say, I have made many mistakes, but I am still here. Forgive me and hold me close. May every quiet longing you hold be seen by Him. May the steps you take, even without a destination, lead you to His grace. And today, may you feel held, not because you entered a temple, but because the temple rose to meet you. Om Namo Venkateshaya.